You're about to learn how to use your human design, Lunar Authority, to make aligned decisions in your business and life, which is part of the first pillar of the Create method. If you're like most people, you are taught to look outside of yourself to make decisions or to use your mind to make a logical or rational decision. This can often lead to frustration or constantly questioning yourself and the decisions that you've made. Here you're going to learn that the most aligned decisions and guidance actually comes from within, using your own intuition. In human design, your inner truth comes from one very specific place. This inner truth is called your authority. You can use your authority for all types of decisions that you make throughout your day and your life. It's your most consistent and reliable internal source of energy, and it gives you clear guidance about whether something such as decisions or opportunities are correct for you or not. It might take some time and practice to learn how to tap into your authority and interpret what it's telling you through all that mind chatter that you might have. And if you're just getting started, I recommend that you practice using your authority to make small decisions at first so you can consistently access and act on this feedback. Once you get used to working with your authority and trusting its guidance, then you can begin to use it for bigger decisions. As a Lunar Authority, your most aligned decisions are made after you experience and observe a wide variety of energies and how they affect you over time. Your decision-making process takes time, and you might even have to wait a full lunar cycle to come to a decision so you can experience the full range of emotions that come with that decision. Give yourself permission to wait. Your environment and community have a huge impact on your ability to make an aligned decision. The right environment is all about the surroundings you're in and the people you're with. It's typically clean and minimal, but warm, and has the right people that are people you trust deeply. Do not let other people pressure you into a decision. Small decisions, please don't wait an entire lunar cycle to make them. Instead, just trust your intuition and trust the signals that you're receiving in each moment. Track your energy and emotions around that lunar cycle to recognize patterns that help you better understand yourself so that you can make aligned decisions on a shorter timeline. For example, if you know you have more energy around a new moon, you might be more enthusiastic about committing to things, but make sure that you either complete these things under the same new moon energy or give yourself permission to change your mind down the road as you get closer to the event if it doesn't really feel good to you anymore. For bigger decisions, you should do your best to wait out an entire lunar cycle of 28 days. During this time, it's important for you to do your best to get into the environment of the decision that you are making so that you can expose yourself to as many of the different factors and decisions as possible. For example, if you're considering a move to a different city, you should go visit that city and really try to get ingrained into that city and see how that energy feels to you before you make that decision. With your oracle nature, you are going to gain insight into that outcome of the decision, which will give you so much clarity when you're in that energy. Also consider how the decision will impact your inner circle and community. As a reflector, you are your community, so in some ways you're making the decision for them as well. Try to be as clear and open as you can in your energetic field so that you can make all your decisions with clarity. That is how you make the most aligned decisions in your business and life using human design. And if you're looking for more guidance about how to apply these human design principles to your sales, your marketing, and your client attraction strategy, you'll be able to unlock the next levels of prosperity, abundance, and flow in your business. And if that's the case, then you should check out my free mini course, How to Use Human Design to Create an Aligned Business, by clicking the link below in the video description.